What if for some weird reason you decided it'd be a great idea to film this segment next to three giant ACs? I don't know why anyone would possibly do that,
but Adobe Speech Enhancement does a pretty good job of getting rid of these guys.
Whether you want to believe it or not, AI probably will take over the world someday, and will probably just end up being their pets. In the meantime, though, AI is doing some incredible things that are going to make our lives way easier. So, for now, I say bring it on. Just this past week, Adobe released an insane new AI technology that makes even the crappiest of microphones
sound pretty good.
And the craziest part is that, as of right now, it's completely free. What originally started as codename Project Shasta has now evolved into Adobe Podcasts, a new platform that Adobe is developing to help make podcast production an absolute breeze using our old pal, AI. While the whole platform is currently in beta and requires you to request access, Adobe is currently allowing anyone to try out one of its more impressive AI tools called Enhanced Speech. You just feed it an audio file containing any kind of speech, and it uses its AI wizardry to turn just about any speech recording into a professional sounding recording. Now, this still doesn't quite replace a nice microphone and a proper audio mix just yet, but it really produces some impressive results that will save creators, including myself probably, a ton of time in post-production. I mean, let's just check out some of these examples and you'll see what I mean. What if you were recording a podcast, but then somebody got a little bit too far away and you lost a little bit of that quality? Adobe's Speech Enhancement can actually fix that, make it sound pretty good. Again, this isn't going to quite replace the real deal just yet, but trying to clean up any of those examples would have taken me hours with various tools to match up to what AI is doing here. It's truly changing the game for creators, and I honestly can't wait to see how good AI gets when it comes to the world of audio. And if you're asking yourself, why the hell would this guy be cheering on AI? This guy is a traitor, isn't making audio sound good, kind of his whole shtick. Well, yes and no. The truth is I learned how to make audio sound good because I wanted my musical ideas to sound as good as they sound in my head. If AI can help save me hours of tinkering with settings and plugins to get me closer to the ideas that I have in my head, I say bring it on. I mean, anything that can get my ideas flowing faster is a good thing. So, I mean, until they take over and, make us their pets, I'm okay with it. Adobe Podcast is now in beta, and you can check it out on the link below if you want to try it out for yourself. So the next part might as well be AI generated because I say it every video, and it's about, thanking you for watching and asking you to like and subscribe because it does work. Some people actually do subscribe, and then I see a little number go up and I'm like, I'm doing something right. So like and subscribe. See ya.